This video is going to discuss the miscellaneous tile in the CourseLeaf dashboard. As mentioned in the CourseLeaf dashboard tutorial video, the miscellaneous tile is used for when you're doing a general request, a mass deactivation of courses, or more. Select the miscellaneous tile. Click on Propose New Miscellaneous. A new window will appear. Complete the red boxes. After filling in the contact information fields, select the request type and input the request title. For this example, I'll submit a request for a new attribute. For this example, I'm using Theater and Writing, TIW. In the description of request box, explain what the attribute is and the effective term it'll start. In the rationale for request box, write the reason for the request. Finally, if there are a series of courses that will need the new attribute, upload a file with the information by clicking Attach Files. Once finished, click Save and Start Workflow. If not, click Save Changes. If you have any questions about the miscellaneous tile in CourseLeaf, please contact the Office of the Registrar at 607-274-3127 or at registrar@ithaca.edu.